This is an
They are.
M35A2 Bob Deuce and a half with the multi-fuel engine designed for the Cold War. And you can pick these up for about $5,000. And when this is bobbed, this will have this bed on it. And this bed right here is off of the 10.5 trailer. And how this is being designed is the extension of the fenders coming out off of the trailer to cover the dualies that are being left on. This is different than most bobbed deuces. This particular axle is staying intact, and you're going to have the dualies left on. One of the axles on the M35A2 has been removed, and this axle here has been moved back. We had an extension on this axle here. Actually, we sent this off. They sent this off to get a new axle made, tying into the pumpkin here, or excuse me, the drive shaft that's made, tying into this drive shaft. And so I like it. I think it's got a lot more of a wider wheelbase than normal. And so the next video we'll have is when this trailer over here will be placed on the M35A2, and it will be deuced or bobbed with the dualies in the back. So it's kind of different than what you'll see on the internet, but it's going to look really nice. All right, till next time, we'll post this on the next one up as soon as it's up and ready to go.